in my crusty feet in it.
What does CTE mean to you?
CTE means a lifetime of opportunities. First of all, the letters CTE stand for Career and Technical Education. That means students involved in CTE classes, such as agriculture, which is what I teach, are preparing themselves for life beyond high school. Typically, students that participate in CTE classes are better equipped to handle college or life after high school. So I'm a little bit biased, but I think agriculture education classes really help students understand and fully grasp the CTE concept and help those students prepare for life after high school.
Split when it gets weight on it, will it?
She caught that on video.
No, not the first part.
That's good. Don't press it. He says it. From your arm, No. Do it again. Give me a little rock. You got too slow. Take it.